Let's move forward with another video जहाँ हम देखेंगे how we can install the Docker and the Docker tool. With the help of that we can create the images and containerize our applications and Dockerize our applications. Can start with the installation and search on the Docker install. And here is the second website. There is a sub website, and here is the option that showing for the Mac. You can just download for the Mac. For the Windows you can just download for the Windows, right? Click on the Windows, but it's taking a time to install. And before that, उससे पहले हम इसके बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं, टूल्स के बारे में. So an experience customize your development experience with the tools, your tech stack, and optimize your development process. Now the AIMLs, we can just use that application to Dockerize your application. The CLI, the command lines, the Dockerize used for the maintaining all the things, and the Docker integration with the IDs. Most of the IDs that you can use for the Docker integration and as well, and the secure image you can just form your part. Right, this is the application preview that's showing after launch of the application. Yeah, and if you want to learn more about the Docker, how we can just use the Docker application and all, here is the complete and best and brief documentations of the Docker. You can just go through this and उसके हम ये चीजें देखेंगे हम with the help of practical example, but you have to make a installation of that part. You can just see how these all things and install and all. Okay, so this is all about like the installation with the various systems and the storage part as well as it makes the bands for the storage part and networking, container logs, prune, configure the daemon, rootless mode. Yeah. So these are the Docker engine. These are the manual that showing all the things regarding up there. Okay. So yeah. After installations completed, you can just directly launch the application. So after seeing this verifying package, do you want to replace मेरे पास पहले से ही installed है तो मैं इसको cancel कर रहा हूँ. You can just proceed their steps. Okay, direct installations. So yeah, this is the Docker desktop that which is launching in there in this part, and this is the starting of the Docker application. This is how the Docker is looking like. If you want to sign in, you can just go ahead for the sign in uh, with authorizations, and these are the left panel that showing the images, container volumes, and all. We have to look in these two. As of now, we'll go into after some time for the volumes as well as. And these are the build during the creations of the Dockerize of the application. These are my builds that done with the Node.js and all. So yeah, this is the all over the installations of the Docker application and all. Thank you so much for watching this video.